Hello guys, so today we were gonna unbox this package that I received. So I already opened this because I want to make sure if this is really my package. So I ordered EXID, CLC, and G-IDLE. So let's start with this. So we have this memo pad which had EXID logo and CLC's logo. And we also have this mini photo card book. EXID. And we have CLC. Wait guys. We have ILKI and EXID, Jungwa. My bias in EXID is Jungwa and Honey. Well, my first bias is Honey because she's so funny. CLC. She's so charismatic. My bias in CLC is ILKI. Then, what's her name again? I forgot her name. Because I was just started stunning this girl group. So cute. And the last picture for this mini photo book. So that's for mini photo book, and then we proceed with this. I think I know this. This is journal that have a EXID logo. Oh gosh. And then I'm in the black dress. CLC. And then next is just a picture with CLC together with EXID. So we will start with CLC. Sorry. And then the quality of this picture is not really great, but I buy it with a very cheap amount of money. I really want to buy the CLC Comeback #1 album, but I'm lack of money. So that's all for CLC. Then we proceed with G-IDLE. Ta-da! So it's a photo cards, but actually guys, our product is unofficial product. So it was just made by fan made. Where is Soyeon? Holy crap. No. Where is Soyeon? No, where is Soyeon? I think this is the same as of this. Where is it? This mini photo book. Oh yes, I'm right. My bias in I-DLE is Jin Soyeon. But my younger sister really loved Miyeon. I can't blame her because see, Miyeon is so pretty. But I am obsessed of Miyeon, Soyeon, the way she rapped and the way she performed. She really got me. The last picture for this photo book, mini photo book. So it's the front, guys. It is more prettier than this. So we'll proceed with these pictures. It's also a fan made. So it's all unofficial. Miyeon, Sujin, Yuki, Soyeon. This is very well detailed. I really like Minnie's eyes. Yuki, she's so cute. Even if she don't do a aegyo, but she's really cute. It's sticker with their name. Minnie, Suyeon, Miyeon, Sujin, Yuki, Shua, and then we have this. By the way, guys, I just want to share that I also have their first and mini album because I'm really obsessed with them. I also have their first look magazine here. They were so cute with this picture. And then lastly, there's nothing more with this. It's a notebook. With their faces and I-DLE. So that's it. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.